define symmetry in objects. So we talked about rotation symmetry. That's turning something around a point if it matches up. That's rotation symmetry. Reflection symmetry, if you can flip it over a line of reflection.
Did you get that? Most of it?
They have it in their notes.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. You find this? You find the page of our notes that were
Well,
on?
that one they didn't have to fill in.
No. So, sometimes when we take an object and move it around, moving it around may result in getting an object that has no symmetry, may result in an object that has line symmetry, rotation symmetry, and sometimes both. So what we're going to look at today is we're going to look at if I took this shape and it was slid around, and we're not going to worry about the shading. We're just going to imagine I had this shape originally, and I slid it to here. If we took both of those shapes together, could we rotate one to make the other one? Could we flip one to make the other one? Would there be line symmetry? Would there be rotation symmetry? So if I want to check rotation symmetry, I would be like, okay, I'm going to take one half of it. I think the center dot would be there. Oh, crap. I'm going to take my circle out. Do you think if I rotate it, does it match up perfectly? Oh, it's pointed the other way. So there's our check for a rotation symmetry. This one, I don't know if you saw it, it does have a symmetry. Can anyone see the line symmetry? The line symmetry is cutting through, wow. If I had a ruler, maybe that would be better. My line symmetry cutting through right there.
I mean, but that line is quite straight.
It's not bad. Not bad. What you missed at the beginning, Dayton, is that we worked on our cheat sheet a little bit to add stuff to it.
And then talk about group assignment that you do on your own, but will be next.
Okay. So this last one, maybe beside it, I'm going to write line symmetry, and there's only the one. No rotation symmetry. Second one.
Oh, do you have to use that line?
I'm thinking
I wouldn't use it, right?
I'm thinking if I rotate around that dot, it would match up. I'm going to just do a check. Whoa, that's not what I wanted to do yet. Steal that over there. Take out my circle.
Perfected it.
I'm getting pretty good at that, right?
Very good at it.
Oh, but now it's too high. I got an idea. There you go. Yeah. So it looks like it has rotation symmetry. What would be the order?
You guys gotta know this one. What's the order of
How
that?
do we say the order of it, the way that it matches up? order of order, oh, I don't need of twice, of order blank, and angle of rotation of blank. One way, oh, I hate when it does the extra circles. One way that I think about the order is how many times does it match up, including when it gets back to the beginning. So here, 1, and back to the beginning, 2. Order of 2. And then the angle, 360 degrees divided by your order, 180 degrees. Line symmetry. All right, can we see the line symmetry? I will try to draw this in red. We have one here. You see that one? And
As you're making a happy face.
one there.
Glasses like legitimately.
I like that. So our line symmetry,
Is the smile and do?
there's 2 of them. A vertical one and a horizontal one. Now technically, if you had to keep it shaded, you could say none for everything. We just have the shaded part showing up there to show one is translated, and we're ignoring that right now.
It's on the eyes. See what I did there?
I saw it, I saw it. Okay.
It's you.
Right?
It's you.
I'm going to say if there is rotation symmetry, there would be my center. Sometimes what I can do for the center is I can be like, take the 2 closest points, take a line joining them and cut that in half. I'm going to take that blue off to the side here.
I'm gonna say yay.
You're feeling this one? Take my circle,
I'm feeling it.
group those together. Move it back. Check it out. Does it match up?
Bam!
Oh, but look at my dot, my circle, it wasn't. Yeah. My center moved. I guess my thing was a little bit off. I didn't draw it perfectly. But if it went to the center, it does match up. Look at the little dot move. I didn't quite put it in the center. Something went off. Man. So much nicer when the visual is perfect, isn't it?
Yeah. It's you.
What's the order?
You.
Yeah, and angle.
180.
Which is 180. 180.
Question, line symmetry. Is it horizontal or mean vertical? If you flip it over there, does it match up perfectly? No. Horizontal, if you flip it up, does it match up perfectly? No.
No, from there.
If you think diagonal, it doesn't match up, because if I flip this over diagonal, it would actually look like that.
That one gets people.
That one is tough. I'm going to, for your assignment, I found the mirror boards where you can actually put, they have a special thing where you put a piece of plastic on the reflection line and it shows you where it should be. And if it doesn't match up, but yeah, that one's a little bit hard. You think that the diagonal line, so this one we can say has no line symmetry.
Oh, because you do have to See, that confused me for a second, and I don't know if anybody else thought it, but like, so, it's not individually on that one object, because obviously that would have vertical symmetry and horizontal symmetry.
On that one thing, but with both of them
But it does
together,
have to go
I'm going,
through the.
yeah, I should actually draw both of them and draw the dot and show that they match up. That's what I'll do on the next ones.
But it has to be able to go through both.
Yeah, so here's both of these shapes together.
¿Y cómo
And
va a
I'm
ser
guessing
que-
that's gonna be the center.
¿Cómo va a ser que sea perfecto?
This one's a little trickier there, JR.
Yeah, I'm gonna see if I get I'm
Oh.
feeling my circle.
No está perfecto, ¿verdad?
I don't
But
know.
you would have wanted no cross, right?
Well, put together, does it have, when you have it all together, is it symmetrical? So let's see. I grouped this one. Here's my original. We. One, two, a little bit off, eh? 3, oh. 4.
Le dije, no estaba perfecto el círculo.
What's the order then? How many times did it match up as we turned it? Till you got to the beginning? Order would be 4. And the angle?
360.
No.
270.
90 degrees, because the formula is always 360 divided by your order. In our case, this is 360 divided by 4. 90 degrees. If you know 36 divided by 4 is 9, then you know 360 divided by 4 is 90. Oh, everybody's showing up.
I was taking photos of the CFL.
The rock, paper, scissors.
Yeah, it was busy today though, like there was like middle schoolers and stuff. Easy, right? And I said, and it didn't even actually start until 1. So by like the actual game didn't start until 1. And it took like 20 minutes to get in line for like.
For the rock, paper, scissors?
No, for photos.
So I'll post a video of the stuff you missed at the beginning. It's all going to be all in one video today. Do you know how to label points on a grid? Couple of review things of that. This is important. So I've got a grid paper here. I want to show these points, and I want to draw them. Okay? This is called your x-axis. This is called your y-axis. And when we draw a point, we always write the x-coordinate first and then the y-coordinate. So when I have -1, 1, my x is going to -1, so back 1. My y is +1. You can draw a dot right there and put the letter A. 3, 1 would be my x is 1, 2, 3. My y is 1. This is point B. C is at 3, 0. So x is 3, y is 0. That's C. And D is -1, 0. Joining these up creates for us this rectangle ABCD. So your question is, if you had those points, could you draw them in the right spots?
I just can't see well from here, but there is an origin there.
Yeah, the origin, I'm going to draw here. It says here, rotation about the origin. So I'm going to draw that in a green dot. That's 0, 0. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the original shape with, I'm going to copy it in purple here. I'm going to copy my original shape in purple. Add that dot. Drag that off to the side. Wow. It's been doing that lately. Drag that purple thing off to the side. Create a circle right at that point. Group those together. Okay. Now we want to rotate it 180 degrees. So we think about 180 degrees. It actually doesn't matter if this case if it was clockwise or counterclockwise.
As it would be the same.
And I go 90, 180. Oh, my thing was a little bit off. I'll drag it down here. Should match up to there. Now, does the new shape have rotational symmetry? If I drew the new shape that's with both of them together, does it have line symmetry? Does it have rotational symmetry? I think it's going to have rotational symmetry.
Well, you already know, so.
I know, I already know, but I'm pretending that I'm figuring it out. Does it make sense that if you go around 180 degrees, it's the same shape? There we go, this is the original. Rotated 180 degrees. Our new shape has rotational symmetry.
I have a question about that.
Yep.
Say, if you were to put it back to normal, right?
Mhm.
Say the top was black and the bottom was white,
Right.
and if you were to rotate it 180 degrees, it wouldn't match up. So
That's right. So sometimes when they do the shading thing, and we talked about in the last examples where I said, let's ignore the shading, otherwise it wouldn't. But just as an outline of the shape, it has rotational symmetry of order 2, angle of rotation,
Should we write that all down?
Yes,
yes,
always.
is 180 degrees. If I write it down, I kind of I think this is important. Add the notes for yourself.
Like I would add something to that XY up top.
Yeah, sometimes you write down what I say, but then there's other things. Oh yeah, this is pretty good.
Answer.
There you
Hay
go.
una forma más fácil de explicar.
Can I?
You want to spin it?
No.
Oh. Okay, yeah. You want to add something? For sure. Oh, I like that. Your first coordinate moves things left and right. Your second coordinate moves things up and down. So we're going to take that same rectangle and redraw it, A, B, C, D, in the same place on the second graph.
I didn't finish it. Oh, really?
I'll go back. I'll just redraw it quickly here. There's that same rectangle. You can draw that same original rectangle on yours.
Una pregunta.
Mm-hmm.
¿Por qué la línea negativa y positiva no puede estar en el centro en vez del lado?
No, sir.
Bueno.
You're taking good notes?
Actually, yeah, I'm doing my notes also. I didn't know you
Brandon, you ready? Okay, so we're gonna take this one and we want to reflect, which means you're gonna flip over the x-axis. The x-axis is this one, so this is my line of symmetry. And if I flip the blue over to the other side, and now my new shape, grouping them both together, is this big rectangle.
Is it okay if I move to a different seat? I can't see very well.
Yep. You see that the purple one has line symmetry. Twice this green line, but also if I cut it perfectly in half here, wow. Struggling to find the halfway. Well, there.
Whoa.
So line symmetry 2. Rotation symmetry? Question?
Did we get a new booklet?
We did get a new booklet.
I don't have it.
You don't have it.
Oh, sorry.
I didn't know I was writing it.
Just saying, this is also how I got into my second job. I was needing some extra money, so I picked up a second job hanging mirrors. You know, it pays okay. It's a job I can really, see myself doing, and it's a job that when I'm there, I can really self-reflect. And
This corny, not you.
Not bad, not bad. This one has rotation symmetry. Is the order 2 or is the order 4?
gotta tell Waddy I used this. That's a Waddy joke.
That's a Waddy joke.
Yeah.
Is it order 2 or is the order 4? Because if you rotated it, how many times would it match up before it got back to the beginning?
2 times.
2 times or 4 times? 2 times. Good. It'd have to be a square to be 4 times, right? So the angle is 180 degrees. Right? Purple one. I think this will rotate nicely. Oh, that's not the right one. I want this one. No, I want this one.
I don't think you're gonna do it.
Ding! Ding! There we go. It used to be on the smart board, you could throw things. I'm so disappointed. I used to take happy faces. And you could throw them. But now they don't, like, and it would bounce off the wall.
No.
Yes, I made mini golf courses. And now they don't.
He just got you lit up there on that one.
Yeah, it was so much more fun when you could make mini golf. Because I have you'd have to bounce it off the wall here and bounce it off there.
I can't see those anymore, those faces. Because all I see is Joe Boxers.
Oh,
That was so big in the 90s, everybody had Joe Boxers.
okay, redraw it one more time. It's our last one. Shape, our shape. There's our original shape. And we are going to slide it 4 units right and 1 unit down. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to take out my purple pen again. I'm going to draw it right over top so you can visualize this. Does it make sense if you slide it forward to the right? It would look like this. Whoa, this is not what I wanted.
Woo! Do you see the puzzle piece? And we're recording on that,
Yeah,
right?
there we go. This is what I want. Oh my goodness. You take this. There I got it. If I slide it 4 to the right, it would look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1 down, bam. There's my new shape. I'm going to outline that shape in green. Do you think we have rotation symmetry? Yes or no? Oh, I can't smell
We
it.
or no? We or no?
Yeah. Wait.
We.
No.
If it does, I'm going to click on it. And I'm going
we.
to halfway around. Oh, yes it does.
You spin me right round, Fanny, right round.
Oh man. Wait. Get back to where it's there. Order would be
Good.
angle 180 degrees. Is there any line symmetry? If you do vertical, no, it doesn't quite. Do horizontal, no. Angle, it'll actually flip it other way. This one has
Zero. Zero. Zero.
all right, how many people do we have here today?
Zero.
5,
Same.
12,
Same.
15.
Same.
Perfect. All right, this was the last question, right? Yeah, we're gonna do something fun.